A plant-based diet is a delicious and healthy way to eat. It focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Choosing plant-based foods provides many benefits. Plant-based diets are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect against chronic diseases. Studies show that plant-based eaters tend to have lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. They also tend to maintain a healthier weight. Ready to feel your best? Let's explore how to thrive on a plant-based diet. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Many worry about getting enough protein on a plant-based diet. Rest assured, plenty of plant foods are protein powerhouses. Legumes like lentils, beans, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein and fiber. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are versatile soy products that are complete protein sources, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, cashews, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Quinoa, this ancient grain, is a complete protein source and a good source of fiber and iron. Incorporate these foods into your meals and snacks to ensure you're getting enough protein to thrive. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and satisfied on a plant-based diet. It plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for those looking to manage their weight or improve their overall health. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, slows down digestion, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals, helping you maintain a balanced diet effortlessly. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of fiber. Each of these foods brings its own unique set of nutrients and benefits, making them essential components of a well-rounded diet. Aim to include a variety of these foods in your diet daily. By diversifying your fiber sources, you not only keep your meals interesting, but also ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Start your day with a fiber-rich breakfast like oatmeal with berries and nuts. This combination provides a hearty start to your day, giving you sustained energy and keeping hunger at bay until your next meal. Or a smoothie with fruits, vegetables, and chia seeds. Smoothies are a quick and convenient way to pack in a lot of nutrients, and the fiber from the fruits and vegetables will help keep you full. Load up on veggies at lunch and dinner, aiming for at least half your plate to be filled with colorful vegetables. Not only do they add vibrant colors to your meals, but they also provide essential nutrients and fiber. Choose whole grains over refined grains by opting for brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread instead of white rice or white bread. Whole grains retain more nutrients and fiber, making them a healthier choice that will keep you satisfied longer. Snack smart by reaching for fruits, vegetables, a handful of nuts, or air-popped popcorn instead of processed snacks. These options are not only healthier, but also provide the fiber needed to keep you full between meals. By incorporating plenty of fiber into your diet, you'll stay full and satisfied between meals, making it easier to stick to your plant-based lifestyle. Remember, a diet rich in fiber is not just about feeling full, it's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So make fiber your ally in your journey towards better health and well-being. Planning is key mastering meals and snacks. In this section, we will delve into the importance of planning your meals and snacks to ensure a successful and enjoyable plant-based diet. One of the keys to success on a plant-based diet is planning your meals and snacks. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures that you are consuming a variety of nutrients essential for your health. By planning ahead, you can prevent last-minute unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. This proactive approach helps you maintain a balanced diet and keeps you on track with your health goals. Plan your meals ahead of time. Take a few moments each week to sit down and map out your meals. This simple step can make a significant difference in your dietary habits. Spend some time each week planning out your meals for the week. Utilize technology like meal planning apps or digital calendars to streamline the process and make it more efficient. This will help you stay organized and make healthier choices. Prep your ingredients in advance. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains in bulk, and store them in containers for easy access throughout the week. Soak beans ahead of time to make meal prep easier. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you have nutritious ingredients ready to go when you need them. Pack healthy snacks. Keep your bag or desk stocked with plant-based snacks like fruits, nuts, or veggie sticks. This will help you avoid unhealthy temptations and keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Having a variety of healthy snacks readily available can make a big difference in your overall diet. It helps you stay on track and makes it easier to resist the urge to reach for less healthy options. Don't be afraid to get creative. Explore new recipes, try different cuisines, and experiment with different ingredients. This can make your plant-based journey more exciting and enjoyable. Have fun experimenting in the kitchen. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you share it with friends and family. It's a great way to bond and discover new favorite dishes together. By planning ahead and having healthy options readily available, you set yourself up for success. An organized kitchen and a well-stocked fridge can make a world of difference in maintaining a healthy diet. You'll be well equipped to stay on track and enjoy your plant-based journey. Embrace the process, enjoy the delicious meals, and take pride in the positive changes you are making for your health and well-being. Pitfalls and solutions. Toward navigating common challenges. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can come with its challenges. Here are some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Not eating enough. Plant-based foods tend to be lower in calories. It's important to eat enough to feel satisfied and meet your energy needs. Relying on processed vegan foods. While convenient, many processed vegan foods can be high in sodium, sugar, or unhealthy fats. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods. Nutrient deficiencies. Pay attention to your intake of vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. You may need to supplement. Social situations. Navigating social events can be tricky. Plan ahead, offer to bring a dish, or communicate your dietary needs clearly. Being aware of these potential challenges empowers you to navigate them successfully and enjoy a fulfilling, plant-based lifestyle. Delicious and satisfying sample meal ideas. Here are a few examples of filling and flavorful plant-based meals and snacks. Breakfast overnight oats with berries, nuts, and seeds. Tofu scramble with veggies and whole wheat toast. Smoothie with plant-based milk, fruits, spinach, and chia seeds. Lunch lentil soup with a side salad. Chickpea salad sandwich on whole wheat bread. Quinoa salad with roasted vegetables and tahini dressing. Dinner tofu stir-fry with brown rice. Lentil loaf with mashed sweet potatoes and steamed greens. Veggie burgers on whole wheat buns with a side of sweet potato fries. Snacks, fruits like apple slices with peanut butter or banana with almond butter. Vegetables with hummus. Trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Edamame. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Get creative in the kitchen and find what you enjoy most. Your plant-based journey tips for success. Embarking on a plant-based journey is an exciting step towards a healthier and more compassionate lifestyle. It's a decision that can positively impact your well-being, the environment, and animal welfare. As you begin this journey, it's important to equip yourself with the right tools and mindset to ensure long-term success. Here are some final tips to support your success. These tips are designed to help you navigate the transition smoothly and make the most out of your plant-based lifestyle. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and are free from added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. They provide the foundation for a balanced and nutritious diet. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Diversity in your diet ensures you get a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Eat enough to feel satisfied. It's important to listen to your body and give it the fuel it needs. Plant-based foods can be lower in calories, so make sure you're eating enough to meet your energy requirements. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat until you're comfortably full. Mindful eating helps you develop a healthy relationship with food and prevents overeating. Plan your meals and snacks. Having a plan in place can help you stay organized and make healthier choices throughout the week. Meal prepping can save you time and ensure you always have nutritious options on hand. This will help you stay organized and make healthy choices. Keeping healthy snacks readily available can prevent you from reaching for less nutritious options when hunger strikes. Experiment with new recipes and flavors. Trying new dishes can keep your meals exciting and prevent boredom. It also allows you to discover new favorite foods and expand your culinary skills. Plant-based eating is anything but boring. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious and satisfying meals. Be patient and kind to yourself. Transitioning to a new way of eating takes time and effort. It's okay to make mistakes and learn along the way. Transitioning to a new way of eating takes time and effort. Start by gradually replacing animal products with plant-based alternatives. This approach can make the transition more manageable and less overwhelming. Remember, every step you take towards a plant-based lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Celebrate your progress, enjoy the journey, and savor the delicious and nourishing benefits of plant-based eating. Embrace the positive changes you're making for your health, the planet, and the animals. Your plant-based journey is a rewarding and fulfilling adventure.